Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on Quantitative Aptitude Prelims Mock Test 10 paper explanation. So we have 35 questions from question number 36 to question number 70. Question number 36 is from mensuration. A person converted his circular field into a square field by removing some area of circular field. Find the area of the square field if area of circular field is 288 meter square, 288 pi meter square, and diameter of circular field is equal to the diagonal of square field, diagonal of square field. So here this is a circle and it is a square. What is given here? Circular field is converted into square field. So this is the what? Diameter. So area of circular field is given as 288 pi meter square. So area of circular field is pi r square. So from this I will get r as root over 288, which is 12 root 2. 12 root 2 meter. Now diagonal would be diameter. Diagonal of square would be diameter of circle. This diameter of circle will be 2 times of 12 root 2, which is 24 root 2. Okay, and what do we get from this? The side of square would be root 2 into diagonal is root 2 into a. So side of the square will be 24, and it is asked for area of square. Area of square is 24 square, which is 576. So answer is option A and option B. Next, 40% of x plus 2000 is equal to 1300. So 40% 2/5. Okay, 2/5. So x plus 20,000, x plus 2000 is equal to 2 650s are 655s are how much? 3250 after simplification. Now 3/5, 3 into 610, 3 into 610, 610 into 5 is 3050, 3050 is x plus y. So from this you got x as 1250 and x plus y is equal to 3050. So y is equal to 1800. Thereby the ratio x is to y is how much? It is 1250 is to 1800, which is 25. 525s are 536 are 25 is to 36 is the answer. Now question number 38. Ratio of P's age 4 years hence to Q's age 2 years ago was 4:5, and their average age 3 years ago was 23, now 26. Now 26. Now their sum is 52. Age of P 5 year hence will be 5 year hence will be. So please see here 5 year hence. Let me take option A. After 5 year, if P is 25, presently P would be 20. P's age 4 years hence would be 24. Okay, and Q's age, if P is 20, Q would be 32 because average 3 years ago was 23, now 26, sum 52. If Q present is 32, Q's 2 years ago, Q 2 years ago would be 30. 24 is to 30 is 6 4s are 6 5s are 4:5, satisfied. So answer is option A correct. Next. In a mixture of water and alcohol, The ratio is 8 is to 5. Ratio is 8 is to 5. If 4 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 5 is to 9. 5 is to 9. So please see here, initially you have water is 8x and alcohol is 5x. Okay, alcohol is 5x. So some water is added. Some water is added. How much? 4 liters. Thereby, the ratio of alcohol to water becomes 5 is to 9. So alcohol is 9 parts, water is 5 parts. So if 5 parts is 5x, okay, if 5 parts is 5x, so now you can simplify this. 45 minus 40, which is 5x. 5x is 20. Thereby x you got 4. If x is 4, then the total quantity in the initial mixture is 13x. 13 into 4, which is 52. So answer is 52 liters. Remember, this is an important model. The speed of boat in still water is x kilometer per hour, 5 kilometer per hour more than speed of current. Speed of current. And the ratio of speed of boat in downstream to the speed of boat in still water is 4 is to 3. So if speed of current is x, speed of boat in still water would be x plus y. X plus y. And it is given that downstream speed x plus y to speed of boat in still water is x plus 5. Okay, so let me take here y because I am taking regularly, I am taking speed of stream as y. So speed of stream I am taking as speed of stream is y, speed of downstream by speed of upstream is 4 is to 3. From this, so 2y into 3, 6y minus 4y. 2y is equal to 20 minus 5. 2y is equal to 5. I have got y is equal to 2.5 kilometer per hour. Thereby, speed of boat in downstream. Speed of boat in downstream would be 2y plus 5. 2 into 2.5 plus 5, which is 10 kilometer per hour is the downstream speed. Now find the distance covered by the boat in 3 hours. So distance covered is equal to speed into time, which is 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers. So answer is 30. Next. Question on DI, a pie chart is given. So what is given? The pie chart shows the percentage distribution of 5 types of watches manufactured by company X in the year 2007. The ratio of total watches manufactured in X by company X in 2007 to 2018 is the 7 is to 8. 7 is to 8. Okay. Now, it is the data is given for 17. The data is given for 17. If the difference between the watches manufactured of type B and type C in the year 17 is 11,200. 11,200. And type A watches manufactured in the year 2018 is 20% more than type D watches manufactured in the year 17. Then find the number of type A watches manufactured in the year 2018. The data is given for 17. Please see here. This total 7 this is 7 parts I am taking as 700x. Then 8 parts would be 800x. Okay. So now the total watches manufactured in the year 2017. This total I am taking as 700x. Okay. Now, if you observe here, the difference between the watches manufactured of type B and C, type B and C, 28 and 20, difference is 8%. 8 percentage of total 700x is given as 11,200. So now what I am going to get? 8 7 is 56, thereby x is equal to 200. X is equal to 200. Now it is given that in the year type A watches manufactured in the year 2018 is 20% more than type D watches manufactured in the year 2017. So A in 2018 would be how much? 20% more. So 120% of manufactured in the year D manufactured in the year 17 is 12% of 700x. So now how much you are going to get? It is 6 by 5 into 12% of, that is 12 by 100 of 700 into x is 2. So two zeros cancel. So how much you are going to get now? 7 2s are 14, 14 to 12 are 168, 168 into 6, 168 into 1.2, 168 into 1.2 would be how much? Am I correct or not? So 5 into 1.2, 5 into 1.2, 700, 12% of 700, x is 200, na? X is 200. So you will get 5 into 400 again, 5 into 40, 5 into 40. So now if you simplify, 12 sevens are 84, 4 6 are 24. So 84 into 24 is how much? 2016, 2016, 2016. So answer is 2016. Next, the average number of type D and type C watches manufactured in company X in 17 is 16,100. Then find the total number of watches manufactured in company X in the year 2018. So if you see here, the average of C and D, how much? 12 plus 28, 40%. 40% का average कितना? 20%. 20% of X. 20% of X is given as 16, 20% of total number. 20% of total number of thing is given as 16,100. Thereby, total number of would be how much? 16,100 into 5. 16,100 into 5. And it is given that find the total number of watches manufactured in 2018. If it is 7 parts, then we require 8 parts. It is 7 parts. We require 8 parts. 7 is to 8 is the ratio. So 8 by 7. 8 by 7 into 16,100 into 5. So how much we are going to get? 723s are. Now 23 5s are. Am I correct? 23, 723, correct? Now 23 into 5. 23 into 5. How much? 115. 23 into 5, 115. 115 into 8, 920. 920 00. So 92,000. 92,000 is the answer. Next, question number 43. Number of type B watches manufactured. Number of type B watches manufactured in 2008 is 25,600, which was 25% of the total number of manufactured in the year 2018. So in 2018, total watches would be how much? So 2568. Are you following here? 25,600 into 4. It is 1/4. It is 1/4. Okay. Number of watches manufactured in of type B in 2018 is 25,600, which is 1/4. So 4 times of it would be total in 2018, which is how much? 1,02,400. 1,02,400. And it is 8 parts. So 7 parts, that is 2017. 7 parts. So if you see here, it is 7 by 8 into 1,02,400. So how much we are going to get here? Please observe how many times 8 12s are 96. Then you have 6 4 8 8s are 128 into 7, which is 896, 89,600. Now it is asked for the number of type of find the number of type D and type B. Type D and type B. 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 how much? 32% of 89,600. So answer must end with 2. There is only one option ending with 2. 28,672. That is the answer. Next. What is the ratio of type E watches manufactured in the year 2017? 2017 to the number of type D watches manufactured in 2018. If D watches manufactured in 18 is 30% of all the watches manufactured in 2018. So in 2017, type E is 25% of 7x, and type D in 2018 is 30% of 8x. Now what you are going to get? 5 6 are 5 5 are. Okay, x cancel. So answer is 35 is to 48. 35 is to 48. Option B is correct. The next 45th question. In 2018, number of all types of watches except type B remain the same. As that of in 2017. Then find the percentage change in the number of watches of type B in 2018. So let the total be 700 here. Then the total in here would be 800. So here number of types of watches except B in 2017. A B को छोड़ के the remaining all is 80%. 80% of 700 would be 560. Okay. Now type B would be how much? Type B in 2018. Type B in 2018 would be, in 2018 all others is 560 only, but total is 800. 800 minus 560 is 240. So earlier it was how much? 140. Earlier 20% is 140. Okay, 140 becomes 240. Difference is 100 on 140. 100 on 140 is how much percent? So here 25s are 27s are 5 by 7. So it is 71 4 by 3. So 71% approximately. So answer is option C. Next, C. Quantity based questions. A certain sum of money amounts to 2613 rupees in 6 years at 5% per annum. So see here what will be the principal amount. So 5% interest means 6 years 130%. 130% is 2613. Thereby principal 100% would be how much? 13 2010. So principal would be 2010. number of years, a certain sum of money. Okay, this is what is given. Principal is 2010. Number of years in which the same amount becomes 3015. 3015. So the first one, if you see 3015 total amount, principal 2010, thereby the interest amount is 1005. 1005. Simple interest. And 1005 is the interest. Principal is 2010. Okay, rate of interest is 5 given into time, PTR by 100. You will get T as here 5. See it here 1005 2s are 2 5 10 tens. So you will get T as 10 years. T as 10 years. Thereby this value is 10. This value is 10. This value is 11. Quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. So answer is option B. Next. 47. 47. A sphere of diameter 1.3 for 13.4 is melted and cast into right circular cone. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Diameter 13.4, thereby radius 6.7 is melted in the form of right circular cone 1/3 pi r square into cone height is 26.8. Now from this third 3 cancel, pi cancel. So what I am going to get here 6.74 times 6.7, how much? So I will get 4 cancel, 4 cancel. So I will get how much? R as 6.7, R as 6.7. So this is 6.7, this is 5.95. So quantity A is more than quantity 2. So option A is correct. Next. A, B, C took a task and received 8880. The work for equal number of days. 5 times of A's efficiency is equal to 4 times of B's efficiency is equal to 6 times of C's efficiency. So A is to B is to C is how much? 4 6s are 24, 5 6s are 30, 5 4s are 12. So from this I can say 2 12s are 2 15s are, am I correct? 5 4s are 20. So 2 12s are 2 15s are 2 10s are. 12 is to 15 is to 10. So total here what is the question asked? They worked 5 times. Okay, now they received in total how much? 8880. 8880. Now quantity 1 is 2400. Amount received by C. C how much? 10 parts out of 37 parts in 8880. So how much you are going to get? 37 24s are. So you are going to get how much? The answer is 240 into 10, 2400. 2400 both are equal. This is 2400. This is also 2400. You got quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2. So option E. Next. A solution of acid water contains 20% acid. Okay, if total is 100, then acid is 20, water is 80. Water is 80. For this, now percentage of water that must be evaporated from solution to get a 50% acid solution. To get a 50% acid solution. To get a 50% acid solution means 20 liter has to be 50%. 20 has to be become 50%. Means out of 80, how much has to be evaporated? 60 has to be evaporated because 80 minus 60 is 20, then it will become 50%. So 60 has to be evaporated out of 80. Out of 80. thereby it is 75 percentage. So water to be evaporated is 75 percentage, quantity 2 is 80 percentage, 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2. Then question number 50. A person lends 1/3 of his money at 15 percentage and the rest at 18 percentage. So 1 into 15 percentage plus 2 into 18 percentage. 2 18 is 36 plus 15, 51. 51 by 3, overall 17 percentage is the rate. Okay, now if you see here, quantity 1 is 17 percentage, quantity 2 is 16 percentage. 1 is more than 2. So option is A. Option is A. Now 51 to 55. We have to do the simplification here. 51, 7072. 16 percentage of 884. 7072 divided by 16 percentage of 884 is equal to 30 into 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 12 plus 1, 13, 13 by 12, x divided by 13. 13 3s are 39, 39. So it is 10 times. Now what you have got, yeah, x is equal to 7072. How many times I can take it as 84, 884, 13 times. No, 7072, I think 9 times, no. So let me check. So if you see here 7072 into 100, this by 100 goes to top into 100, 7072 into 100 into 12, this 12 divided by 16 into 884 into 10, 0, 0 cancel. Now if you see here, 4 3s are, 4 4s are. Now, how many times 4, how many times 4, 7, 4 17s are 68, 2 7, 4 6s are, 4 8s are, 884 2 times. Thereby x you got as how much? 20. X you got as how much? 20 into 3, which is 60. X is 60 here. So answer is 60. Now 13 plus 2 root 5 whole square. How? So it is simply what? A plus b whole square. So it is nothing but 13 into 2. 26 into 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 13 into 2. 26 into 2. 52. So answer is 52 here. It is simply a plus b whole square. Now root 162. 81 into 2. 64 into 2. So it is 9 root 2. It is 8 root 2. 9 into 8. 72 into 2. 144. Now 54. 54th question. 8 root how much? Divided by 14 divided by 14 into 3 plus 9 is equal to 21. 21 minus 9 is 12. 8 root x by 14 is equal to 12 by 3 4. Now root x is equal to, if you see here for 2 jar, root x is equal to 7. X is 49. X is 49. Now, just 1 plus 7, 8 minus 8, 0. These two cannot be the answers. Now, see the next one. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So, answer is option D. Option D is correct. Based on the last digits. Verification. Now, 56 to 60 are based on number series. So 12, 12, 15, 23. Here 0 difference. Here 3. Here 8. Here 15. So n square minus 1. Here 24. 38 plus 24, 62. Next. 15 into 2, 30 plus 3, 33. 33 into 3, 99 plus 4. 103 into 4 plus 5 into 5 plus 6 into 6 plus 7. So you have to get 3 in the last digit. 3 in the last digit. So what is the answer here? Into 6 plus 7. Into 6 plus 7. So the answer is 12,553. 12,553. Next. 2 into 2 plus 25 into 4 minus 4. 96 into 5 plus 5. 2 into 2 plus 2. 6 into 4, 24. What is the logic then here? It is into 1. It is into 1. So please see here 58 question. Right. 96 into how much? 96 into 3. 288. 288 minus 3. 25 into 4. 100 minus 4. So 6 into 5. 30 minus 5. 2 into 6. 12 minus 6. So it is into 2. 285 into 2. 570. 570 minus 2. 568. So answer is 568. 22, 33, 20, 37, 18. 22, 20, 18. 33, 37, 41. Now 17, 26, 30, 39, 43. So here plus 9 plus 4. Here also plus 9 plus 4. Again you have to get plus 9. 43 plus 9, 52. 52 is the answer. Now 18, how many times? 18 to 36. 27 times. Now you got how much? 3 plus 7. How much? 486 divided by 18. 486 divided by 18. So 4, am I correct? I am correct. It is nothing but 8743 plus 27 into 148 is equal to how much? So here 4 plus 3, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 8 to 22. 22 means digital sum has to be 4. Digital sum has to be 4. Where we have the digital sum 4, because here it is 9. Digital sum 4 is there. 13729. 9 cancel, 7 plus 2. Am I correct? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. Digital sum has to be 4. Has to be 4. Right? Now here it is how much? 13729. Am I correct? 8743. So if you see here, it is how much? 13729. Both have same digital sum. So you can't apply. You have to just multiply. It is 8743. 27 into 148. How much? 27 into 148. 27 into 148 would be 148 into 20 is 2960. So it will be 3996. 3996. Please add both. Last you are going to get 9 plus 4, 13, 3. So it is option B. Next. 61 to 65. Again based on simplifications. 135 square by 15 into 13. So if you understand here, it is 15 square into 9 square by 15 into 39. Okay, divided by how much? 13 into 15 divided by 13 into 15 is equal to how much? Your required answer. So now if you see here, how much you are going to get? Sorry. So 135 square by 15 into 39 into 39 divided by 13 into 50. So 15 square cancel. 13 threes are 39, 81 threes are 2, 81 threes are 243. So answer is 243. Next, I am just taking the last digit here, applying the digital sum. Applying the digital sum. So 9 cancel, 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5, 12 means 3. Then 9 cancel, 3, then 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 means 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 1. Then here 1, 1 cancel. Then here we have 9 cancel 2. So it has to be 7. 7 digital sum where we have minus 7 means 2. Minus 7. Minus 7 digital sum means minus 7. Where we have the digital sum here. If you see here, 9 cancel, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 1 plus 7, 8. This is going to satisfy actually. So answer is option E. Option E. Next. Question number 64. 1272 divided by, what is this value? 1382 minus 1170. 1382 minus 1170 is 212. 212 how many times? 6 times. So answer is 6. Then 65. 10 power 37. 10 power a power m into a power n. A power m minus 10. 37 minus 33 is 4. Next. Fine. This is the end of today's paper discussion. Again we will meet with next paper explanation. Thank you.